For being here on this very special day. We know that it is probably 32 degrees or 31 or 25 degrees or whatever. But we will keep this brief, but this is also very warm in our hearts because this is a very, very special day in the life of Missouri State University. My name is Brent Dunn. I serve as Executive Director of the Missouri State Foundation, and we are pleased, whether it's 110 or 30, when we have ceremonies like this and a naming of a building. And that is very important to our students and to this community. And in order to make the announcement about the naming of the building that is going on right behind us, please welcome our President, Cliff Smart.
Good afternoon. We are here this afternoon to announce the name of our new Health Sciences building. It will be called the O'Reilly Clinical Health Sciences Center, and that's a result of an incredible gift from Charlie and Mary Beth O'Reilly, David O'Reilly, Larry O'Reilly, Rosalie O'Reilly Wooten, as well as the O'Reilly Family Foundation. As everyone here knows, the O'Reilly name is associated with Springfield. It began with the O'Reilly Auto Parts, which was started as one store and 13 employees on Sherman Street in 1957 by Charles Francis O'Reilly and his son, Chubb. Now the company has 4,311 stores, is still expanding, and is the leading business in Springfield. Chubb's son David is currently chairman of the board of O'Reilly Auto Parts, and his siblings Charlie, Larry, and Rosalie are all board members of that company. But the O'Reilly family is known for so much more than business success. This summer there was a great article in the News Leader written by Tom Carlson, the longtime mayor of Springfield and our former Board of Governors member, entitled "Generosity, an O'Reilly Family Tradition." And that headline succinctly sums up what this family is all about. You know, as a longtime Springfield resident myself, when I think of philanthropy, the O'Reillys is the name that immediately comes to mind. They've been involved in supporting, and I'm just going to list a handful: Ashley House, Breast Cancer of the Ozarks, the Chubb O'Reilly Cancer Center, Harmony House, Isabel's House Crisis Care for Kids, Lance Armstrong Foundation, Catholic Campus Ministries, the new Catholic High School, the O'Reilly Family Event Center at Drury, Ozarks Food Harvest, Ozarks Greenways, Southside Y, The Kitchen, United Way, the Victim Center, and many others. Now this list includes Missouri State University and its clinical health sciences programs. And the result of that will be thousands of students will receive great training and education in brand new state-of-the-art facilities, and tens of thousands of people in the Ozarks and our state will receive better health care for years to come as a result of their generosity. Charlie, Mary Beth, Larry, David, Rosalie, on behalf of Missouri State University, our students and our staff, thank you for this incredible gift. But more importantly, thank you for what you mean to our community and that generosity of spirit that truly makes a difference.
Now, to tell you what's going on in the building, not right now. We know what's going on right now. They're still working, but we'd like to welcome the Dean of the college, Helen Reed.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the students, the faculty and staff, and the College of Health and Human Services, I want to express our thanks to the O'Reilly family for your generous gifts and to help make this building possible. The number of students pursuing degrees in the college has increased almost 50% since 2008. In addition to expanding class sizes of several programs, we have introduced new programs to help meet the needs of the healthcare community. The programs that will be housed in the O'Reilly Clinical Health Sciences Center have a critical need for additional space. I'm going to tell you about those, and you can imagine which floors I'll tell you. The Physician Assistant Studies program is looking forward to a new classroom and a lab specifically designed to meet their needs, which will be located on the first floor of the building. The nursing department will have a priority lecture hall on the first floor that can accommodate the BSN nursing class of 61 students with some room for growth. On the second floor, the nursing department will have an advanced skills lab for the Doctor of Nursing Practice, that's the DNP, along with a basic skills lab for the BSN program. A large simulation lab will be used by the nursing programs as well as other programs. On the third floor, the Doctor of Nurse Anesthesia Practice, the DNAP program, which is offered through the Biomedical Sciences Department, will have a classroom, skills labs, and a simulated operating room. Also on the third floor, the new Occupational Therapy program will have classrooms, labs, and a therapy areas that simulate home and community environments, including a therapy car, which we have to get in before the walls are considered. They plan to use the atrium and the therapy garden on the grounds as well. Shared study spaces throughout the building and an outpatient clinic on the first floor will provide opportunities for interprofessional experiences to prepare students for collaborative practice. Students entering the health professions often do so with the hope of making a difference in people's lives. By providing these state-of-the-art learning facilities, your generous gift will help reach their goal. The community will also benefit as graduates of our programs help improve healthcare access and quality in Southwest Missouri and beyond. Thank you very much for your generous support. Thank you.
Well, Cliff read a long list of activities and groups that the O'Reilly family has been involved with, and the O'Reilly family's been involved with Missouri State for years, but we're so very pleased to have their name on a building on this campus, and to represent the family, I would like to bring up Charlie O'Reilly. Charlie?
Thank you, Brent. If anybody's wondering why I was selected to represent the family, I'm the best speaker. No, I happen to be the oldest, so that's by popular demand. But anyway, we are so proud to be able to make this contribution to Missouri State University. So proud. As we've said, all of us have grown up here in Springfield and watched SMS, now Missouri State, grow and develop, and just so proud and so excited, and we've been associated in many different ways, but these last few years, wow. When Cliff came to see us a few months back, I remember one key word he mentioned: Selective Admission University, which actually happened in 1995 when OTC started, and that has kicked off, I guess you could say, a tremendous move upward for Missouri State University into higher requirements, more advanced degrees. There are 185 associate degrees, undergraduate degrees, 44 master's degrees, and now 4 doctorate programs. Just tremendous, and so many of them in healthcare, which we have been interested in many ways. My wife, Mary Beth, started the Breast Cancer Foundation of the Ozarks. Brooke O'Reilly is here. Brandy O'Reilly's not here. Both graduated from the college here, the biomedical college, molecular and cell biology, basically. So that connection has been there also. But I think more importantly today, we look at Missouri State University, 22,000 students, 750 faculty members. I mean, a true important part of the community in so many ways. And of course, the public affairs mission has meant, for example, bringing people like Colin Powell to Springfield, emphasizing community engagement, community leadership. So again, Missouri State has risen to the point of being just a true bedrock, if you will, of our community. Someone recently said there are no great cities that do not have a great university. And that really struck me, something we can all be proud of as far as living in Springfield, but also, of course, again, being a part of, being associated with, watching Missouri State University here in our community. So again, on behalf of our family, and I'm glad President Smart mentioned O'Reilly Auto Parts. Obviously, we wouldn't be near as philanthropic if we didn't have a great, successful company. Again, we're large and successful, but it's built on customer service and people relationships, and it's enabled us to be philanthropic and to do things like make this gift. So again, we're very proud of it, proud to be able to make this contribution to Missouri State University. Thank you very much.
We do have a rendering that Cliff was going to present to the family members, and we do have a lot of work to be done between now and then. So on your calendar, you do need to mark late summer, because that is when we'll be back here for a more formal event, and it won't be 32 degrees in late summer. But we will be looking forward to that, and then we will be dedicating this beautiful facility that will benefit students for generations and generations to come, and will also benefit healthcare throughout this region. So once again, please give a round of applause to the O'Reilly family. And we do have a bunch of student nurses here if anybody is in hypothermia. So that's the other great thing of this facility. Thank you for being here, and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.